Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmund Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial I'm going to show you guys on how to disable save passwords pop-up options that appears in the Firefox web browser. When you enter a new web credentials and ask you if you want to save them for future use, and then I'll show you how to do that. And without further ado, let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up on Firefox browser. And then dito lang sa upper right side, i-click mo lang yung three line icon na to. So click mo lang siya. And then next step ay, kailangan mo lang select dito yung settings. And then dito sa left side menu, and then next step ay, select mo lang dito yung privacy and security. So click mo lang yan. And then dito sa privacy and security, scroll down and then locate natin itong password. Okay, so kung paano ba natin i-disable yung save passwords? So makikita mo kagad dito yung password mga kaibigan. Under nito ay kailangan mo lang i-uncheck tong box na ask to save password. So ibig sabihin ay disabled siya. Okay, so uncheck mo lang yan. And then dito naman sa right side ay pwede mong i-view yung save password na nakasave lahat. So i-click mo lang yan. And then dito lang mga kaibigan, makita mo dito yung mga number of password na nakasave. So all passwords you save to Firefox are encrypted. Alright, so kung gusto mo itong enable, so check mo lang itong box. And then nandito naman yung other option settings. Okay, so ganoon lang po kasimple on how to disable save passwords, pop-up options, and Mozilla Firefox web browser. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.